see down there, Mia? See how there's a dam wall down there? That wall, that catches all this water from all the creeks and rivers from the mountains, and all the people on the Gold Coast drink this water. This is the drinking water for the Gold Coast. This is called Advancetown Lake, and that's the Hinze Dam down there. Yeah, they treat the water first, chicken. It gets treated so it's really clean. When you drink the water at Grandma's house, it comes from here. But the water that we drink comes straight, we catch in our rain tank, so we just drink rainwater. But, I mean, this is rainwater too, but obviously it's come down from through the mountains, through the rivers and streams, and ended up in this lake, which is a man-made lake because it was dammed up down there to create it. Termites nest. Yeah, the termites, they don't like being seen. They stay underground, so when they build their nest up in a tree, they make all mud. They make a big mud path all the way up. You can see it going around. It's going around, but this has been flooded out. Well, now the trees are underwater, so the termites are gone. But normally, if you just pull off a bit of mud, you'll see all termites walking. Oh, is that? They're still in there? Oh, what? Oh, well, they're just eating this tree then. Oh, yeah, they're fully eating this tree. But normally, see, they're actually going right in there, but normally, yeah, they just...
Coming out, isn't it? Is it normal ants or termites?
No, they're termites.
Don't get too close.
Well, they don't hurt you. They're actually good eating, good bush tucker.
No, but
very high in protein.
We put the cabbage to home.
No, they're everywhere. Well, they didn't live in the water originally. That nest has been there for a long time. And this,
so they are stranded.
Yeah, see how the tracks go right down underwater? Because originally they go walkies, and they just, you know, they can come up and down as they want. But now they've been stranded here because they've raised the dam wall, and all this has gone underwater. And so they were stranded up there, and
They have nothing.
They're baby bell cheese chicken.
Not some milk?
Yeah, no, I'm getting the lunch yet now.
Do I film?
Just film with getting all the stuff out for our barbecue. We got
filming
Bundaberg ginger beer.
First I want that.
We've got nice butter that's completely melted. And hold it back, chicken. And we've got
Try and get that whole thing.
olives, tomatoes, bread,
This is good.
feta cheese, roast chicken, salad dressing, cups, forks. You want a drink with it? You don't want a drink?
No, not yet. There's something here that's further.
There's little rocks under this one.
Yeah.
Bundaberg ginger beer.
Delicious.
Delicious. Not quite as good as Bundaberg rum, but not bad. Tasty, baby. Okay, we're ready to hit the frog and toad.
Is there a frog and toad here?
Yeah, somewhere. Really steady the camera, really straight.
Keep going there.
What time is it?
So